A coalition of federal, state, and local law enforcement are putting street gangs on notice that they'll chase them wherever they go in West Michigan.
24-Hour News 8's Henry Yerb is live in studio control with this story. Henry?
Well, today's news conference was meant as a reminder that the U.S. government is working with state and local police to fight crime and violence in neighborhoods. It followed the takedown of 31 members of the Holland Latin Kings.
With me today are representatives.
U.S. Attorney Patrick Miles says his office and federal agencies like the DEA and FBI are dedicated to a task force approach to neighborhood violence, working with local and state police agencies across political boundaries.
The public doesn't need to fear us doing our jobs and prosecuting these violent individuals. They need to be a partner as well, and they need to let us know, and we can target some of the people that they have in mind that are terrorizing their neighborhoods.
It was a local and federal task force that busted 25 Grand Rapids gang members last year in an investigation that started looking at 14 different crimes in Grand Rapids, Kentwood, and Kent County.
I don't think you can ever, measure it, but taking 25 of some of the worst off the streets of Grand Rapids, I think our last summer was a lot quieter than it could have been.
Hertel says that even though gang members were involved, they saw no evidence that the crimes were being committed to further any gang goals.
The majority of it was I would describe it as personal level violence. Somebody was disrespected or slighted, or somebody's dope got stolen.
The U.S. Attorney also promoted the idea of businesses giving more jobs to ex-offenders coming out of prison as a way of keeping them from going back to crime. In studio control, Henry Yerb, 24-Hour News 8.